Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to fix sound problem in your Realme smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to tap on the settings. Now friends, you have to click on additional settings and you will see if in this you will see here it is, you can just write here sound, and in this you will see here it is uh, this haptics. You can just enable it from here and you can check your this feature also if it is enabled or not, like this, and you have to enable it from here. And you can check whether your this smartphone have is covered with dust also, and this is how you can check it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.